today I wanted to show you guys 10 different styles that you can do with natural twists. So let's get right to it. And by the way, these are really cute, thank me later. And they're fun and they're like sexy and they're so easy because they're already twisted. Like, what do you have to do but just pull it up and put it in a style? So here's one. The simple pull it over. I mean, you guys are probably gonna be like, that's not even a style. But I'm telling you, pulling it over versus having it split, it gives it a different look. So, you know, you just pull it over. Okay, second style. Y'all gonna love me for this one. Pull your hair up. Pull the first 2 pieces down. Wait, that's not the right one. Pull the first 2 pieces down. And then pull the other 2 pieces down. Not this one, the one right above it. Yup. You're gonna pull this down, pull it behind your head, and there's gonna be some that naturally fall. If not, you could just, like, you know, pull some down or whatever. You know, so leave this up. And then we're just going to put it in a ponytail. I mean, look at that. Is that not the cutest thing you've seen in forever? I really love this look. And you know, you can always just like pull these behind your ear. And you know, super cute. Another thing you can do is grab a big scrunchie and put it on your twist. This is like my bun hacks too, so I'm giving y'all my bun hacks. Do it twice. And just make sure it's on top of the other one so it's like layered. And then you're going to pull your hair around lightly. Right, and then, oh, here goes the scrunchie. Oh, here it is right here. Get another scrunchie and put it over. Yep. And it could be messy. I mean, I don't think you realize how cute this is. It's just like, for what? Why is this so cute? Okay, here goes another one. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna just hurry up and I'm gonna just pull these 2 up and wrap them around, and boom. You just have one side. And then you can do another one and just have one. Okay, and another style. Now I have to like untwist these. Normally I'd kind of put them up, but because I'm trying to get through all of the styles, I want y'all to see all of them. Okay, so you're gonna pull the tops of your hair. You see how I did that? I just like flung it forward. But if you want to get real technical, you want to grab all the pieces in the front of your hair. And make sure you grab them, all the front little pieces, even the ones that like come to the front, grab those too. And then we're just pulling it back, like so. Boom. It's pulled out of your face and it's super cute. Okay, another style is, you could do that same style with the hairs out in the front. Because who said you can't pull your hair back with your 2 pieces out? Boom. Another style. So you're just gonna grab the top boo laddie gravitas. Can't believe I forgot this one. Like, make sure this is black too. I forgot to mention that. You have to make sure this is black. I don't know where I put my black one, but if you have a black one, they can't see under it. So yeah, you're just gonna go around twice like you normally do. Honestly, you just get a little bobby pin and just stick it in there. But I don't have one right now because I ran out of bobby pins. So I'm just gonna tuck it. I came to you with the looks, and I'm still coming at you with the looks. I mean, how many more do you need? I even gave you a bun hack right here, right here. Like, if you really want to get saucy, you go pull that little hair out. Boom. Honey, I didn't come to play. I got some more right now. So you're gonna split this in half, have two twisties out, and of course, we're just gonna do it like this. Do it like this. Boom. Another one. And you can leave a little hair out. Two pigtails. Am I cute? Is it not or is it not? Cause I'm about to start slaying y'all with these twists, okay? If you really want, then you're gonna twist it into a bun. I'm not gonna tie it up, but I'm gonna use one of my twists to hold it there. I don't really care for the buns though. Okay, another style is, I'm doing it, I'm moving so fast. You just like all the way at the top, pull it up there, and there goes your cute pony. And I would like to mention that you always gotta have the baby hairs, okay? That completes the look. I'm trying to think of one more. Let's see. What's the other ones that I do? Oh. So you definitely don't want to forget this one. I love this one. It's so simple and so sleek. And I just need to be getting the compliments with this one. So you want to just like, you don't want to like pull it back how I did the first time. You just kind of want to like let it hang to the side. So you're gonna get like the first row and you're just gonna like, look at, you see how I'm doing this? Look, okay, I'm just grabbing the hairs from the front and I'm like pulling it to the sides. And like, it's literally the tiniest pieces of hair in the back, and I'm just pulling it together right there. I get so many compliments on this one. You're probably like, what the heck is that? But it's what I get compliments on. That's what it is. And then I like honestly just like fix the front. If you really want, you can go ahead and pull out homegirl. Okay, go. Like the messy rainbow bun at the top. Shake what your mama gave you. Pull it all up and you're gonna go one and then you're gonna go two. Why people like this? I don't know, but I guess it's kind of cute if you're going for that like super messy, like run out the house real quick look. My twists are already a mess, so let's just rock out with it look. There's that. So that's it for all my styles for twists for now that I can remember. I hope you guys enjoyed these looks. Let me know what your looks look like. If you decide to do this look, take a picture in it and tag me in it on Instagram. My Instagram is at Joe Jordan. My name is spelled JORDYN_. Tag me in that post, boo, because I'm about to comment all up under it. If it look cute, it's probably gonna look cute anyway. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my twist looks, because I enjoy doing twist looks because they're so simple, so easy. And if you don't know how to get these twists, I did a video on that already, so go look at that video right now, honey. Healthy hair 2020. But yeah, so these are like cute summertime looks. How many hairstyles can you do with your twists? Let me know. And if y'all got some other ones that I missed out, comment them down below. Thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you soon in these hairstyles. Bye.